A warm welcome to all of you. Hope you all have enjoyed in your Diwali break, isn't it? Now back to our studies. So today I am going to teach you the handwriting, English handwriting, both capital and the small letters. You have already know. I think you all know this capital and the small letters. Still I am going to explain how to write the capital and the small letters starting from A to J. Okay. Now just have a look at these 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you start the capital letter, you give a dot over here. 1, 2, 3. You join the lines like this. First line, second line, third line, and you give a straight line at the middle. Okay. Then when you are doing the small letters, just have a look at the second and the third line. How are you doing it? You give a circle and you just move the line like this. Okay. Followed. So this is capital A, this is small a. Again, starting from the first, second and the third line. Again from the first, second and the third line. And you give a line over here. So this is capital A. Then for small a, we are just giving a circle like this and we are drawing a line. So this is small a. Okay. Now when we are doing B, you are doing the curved line. You all know what is curved line. So start from first, second and the third line. Just have a look. First, second and the third line and just give a curve like this. Okay. So this is capital B. Okay. Now when you go on to the small b, you just give a straight line from the first, second and third line and move from the second to the third line. You move like a curved line. Okay. So this is small b. Okay. For the C, capital C, both the same. You are doing a curved line over here. Just have a look. A curved line. Starting from the first, moving till the third line. First, second and the third line. For the C, we are doing from first line to third line. But for small c, we are moving from the second line to the third line. Followed everyone? So how are we moving from the second line to the third line? So here comes small c. Now for D, what are we doing? Again here a cursive line is there. So we start from D, we do like this. We start the straight line 1, 2 and 3 and then move on to the third line. We are starting from the first line, second line, we are going on and coming till the third line. This is called D. Okay. Followed. The D should come properly. So this is D. What D is this? This is capital D. Okay. So again for small d, we are again doing a straight line 1, 2, 3 and moving like this. Followed everyone. So this is a straight line from 1, 2 and 3. Then we are moving from here to here. Okay. Now for E. E is just matter of 3 lines. So 1, 2 and 3. You have already done the the straight lines, isn't it? So this is the standing line and these are the slipping lines. Just see one slipping line, second slipping line and the third slipping line. So first comes the standing line, then the slipping lines. Okay. For small e, how are we doing? We are just doing a curve from second line to the third line and moving like this. Did you get everyone? So from the second line to the third line, we are doing a curve and moving like this. Now for F, what are we doing? We are doing one straight line, 1 and 2. Don't go on to the third line. Okay. So one standing line and 2 slipping lines. Okay. Again from F. Okay. We are just moving from the straight line. Just do a curve like this. Then do a standing line. And in the second line you give a dash. Followed everyone? So here comes capital A, small a, capital B, small b, C, small c, D, small d, E, small e and F, small f. Now we are going to do G. Just have a look. G, we are moving from first line to the third line. We are going over here. Just have a look. Going over here. give a standing line, slipping line, and again go on to the standing line. This is called G. Followed? Next comes small g. Just have a look. We are giving a circle. What are we giving? We are giving a circle and then moving from the top to the bottom. Okay? So this is small g. Okay? Then comes H. Just have a look. 1 and 2. There are two straight lines over here. First, second and third. First, second and third. And then go on to the second line. This is called H. Okay? Now comes small h. How are we doing? Move from the first, second and the third line. A straight line, first, second and the third line. And then go on to give a curve like this. So this is called H, small h. How is small as how are we doing? Small g, just give a circle and move till this. Just before the third line. Okay? For small h, we are moving from the first, second and the third line and then going on over here. Now comes I. How are we giving I? One line, one slipping line over here, another slipping line over here. Makes one in the first line and the third in the second in the third line. Then do a standing line. Touching from the first line to the third line. Followed, so this is I. Second and third. For small I, we are just doing second and third and then giving a dot. Followed everyone? Second and third, then giving a dot. Okay? Then comes J. Give a slipping line over here. Move from the first line, second line and the third line and give a curve. Okay? Followed? Again, over here, just for small j, we are giving 1, 2 and 3. Move a curve like this and give a dot. So, for small j, just have a look. For small g and for small j, we are moving till the fourth line. Okay? So, like this you have to follow the lines and do the handwriting. Okay? So, this is your handwriting class. Nursery handwriting class. This is your nursery handwriting class. Do properly, enjoy your writing and follow the lines and write nicely. Okay? Many letters have been taught over here. Follow the capital letters and the small letters and follow the lines and do like this. So, best of luck for your exam that is coming nearer. God bless you and bye-bye.